let's get started. So here is the tool that we are going to be using, right? And for you to get the lifetime premium access to this software for free, kindly click on the link attached to the description below. So let's dive in. This tool, you can see this is dashboard that I am right now, and I can also decide to go to business extractor where the magic is going to take place, right? So I can also view the contacts, that is every contact that I've actually extracted before, you understand? So I actually cleared the whole data that I had before, you understand? So I just use this one for a sample, for a test. So if you actually check the dashboard, you will notice that we have 38 total leads, right? You can see it has analysis of the leads that I extracted. So I'm going to come to contacts. You can see which are doctor from London, right? I extracted doctors from London. So if I want to see their data, then I'm just going to click on, I'm going to select the data I want, then I'm going to click on search. So you can see it's able to give me the names, the business address, the phone number, even their website, and also their email. And it will also provide the Facebook, Twitter link of some if it's able to get it. So now let me go back to business extractor, and here is where the magic is going to take place. This tool is a very crazy tool. This is a very crazy tool that nobody is actually using that much, and not everybody knows about it. This is a crazy tool. So how do I get started? What I'm going to do is, so I can decide to do a bulk upload. What do I mean by bulk upload? I can actually have multiple data typed in here. What do I mean? They have given an example right here, that is keywords and location. Let me say, for example, I want data of realtor, then I'm going to put semicolon, then the location that I want it to come from. Let me say from Lagos, realtor from Lagos, right? So let me say I also want realtor from Abuja, let me say I also want realtor from Accra in Ghana, right? Let me say I also want realtor from London, right? I can also put local places, even in-depth places. It's going to bring out the data. So I can also change if I want to add more keywords that is even separate from realtors. Let me say I also want to add doctor from the whole of Nigeria. It's possible, or from Lagos, or let me just say from California, right? So then I'm going to click on add. So I can put as many bulk keywords as possible. I can put as many as possible. So let us wait for the magic to happen. So keyword added successfully. So you can see that this tool is a very crazy tool. So where will I be able to access what I just uploaded right now? So I'm going to come to search. You can see all the uploads that I've made, and I have previous uploads that I've made before, like dentist in Canada, dentist in Miami, dentist in New York, dentist in Yukon, England, engineer, restaurant, and so on and so forth. So if I want to select particular keywords that I have imputed as bulk, and I want all this to be generated or to be extracted at the same time, then I'm going to select them and click on start. If I want to select all I have in my search right here, then I'm going to click on select all and click on start. Or if I want to remove from the listing, I'm going to click on delete. So but if I want to add just an individual keyword, that is, I want to add a business keyword and also a business location or a location. So let me say, for example, the one that I used the other time, realtor in Lagos. So let us look at the magic. So if I click on this add, it's going to add to this search alone. That is going to add as part of the bulk, right? Single-handedly. But if I want it to search for this immediately, then I'm going to click on add and search. So let us check it out. So let me click on the add and search. So it's going to start counting down time. Then it's going to start looking for the data that I've put. Look at it, just within seconds. Look at it, within 10 seconds, it has generated 20 leads for me, right? You can see, and these are leads of realtors in Lagos. This is so wonderful. This person doesn't have a website. Others have websites. You can see. Look at this person, Realty Lagos Property, the king of Lagos real estate. And you would notice that it is bringing their phone number directly. Wow, this is so massive. This is so massive. It is bringing out their phone number directly. It is bringing out their website. Those that have email is going to bring their email. Those that have social media account is going to bring that out as well. You can see we've gotten to 113 already. 100. Look at it. This is crazy. Just within 60 seconds. Just within 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. This is so crazy. So you can see how powerful this tool is. I can actually reach out to those people, or even if I want to go to their address, I want to go to their place to pitch what I can offer them. You understand? To pitch what I can offer them. So it's able to get me 164 or 167 leads of this particular people. You can see that this is so crazy. This is so crazy. So I can actually use this for different things depending on what you want to use it for. To get projects, to actually get job, and so on and so forth. That is what you can actually do, right? So let me show you how I can search in bulk. But before I do that, if I come to my contacts, you would notice that it is already saved to my contacts. Realtor Lagos 167, right? So even if I want to search inside Lagos, that is, let me say I want realtors. Let me say I want to search for realtor in Ikeja. You understand? Ikeja inside Lagos, right? So let me just click on add and search, and let us look at the magic that is going to happen. So you can see how crazy this is. These are datas of realtors inside Ikeja in Lagos. Wow, I already told you that this works for both local and international locations. It works for any location, but if you want your listing to be more targeted, it is better to make it in depth. It's better to make it in depth. Let me say you want to search for listing in California. You can also look for a local area in California to actually make your prompt, that is, make your search, right? So you can see this is the one this is the one too fast, right? Within 44 seconds it has extracted 100 plus data for us, and this is so massive. This is so massive, and I don't think it's stopping anytime soon. So let me just click on the stop button, since I'm actually okay with what I have. Yeah, so that was because I stopped. Within 37 seconds extracted 138 leads. So this tool is not a tool that you can actually see anywhere. This is not a tool you can actually see anywhere. This is crazy tool, and is a very powerful tool, right? So let me now come back to contacts. You will notice that I have that already. Realtor in Ikeja 137, realtor in Lagos 167. So if I click on search, it's going to load out their information or their data for me. Look, you can see what I have here, and I can decide to select all. Another crazy thing about this tool is that it's, in case it scrape duplicates, you understand, you can actually remove duplicates right from inside this tool immediately. So let me click on remove duplicate, and what do you want it to remove as duplicates? To locate as duplicate: business name, phone number, website, email address. So I can decide to take business name anywhere the business name appears twice, right? But mind you, if you choose business name, that means the business, just one person can have a business, you understand, in different location. Like even in the same location, can have more than 2 offices, you understand, and it's possible it scrape that. And if it's phone number by phone number, I can decide to remove duplicate by phone number. So if I click on remove duplicate, it's going to tell me if I'm okay with it. Then yes, so let us check. So it's removed 17 duplicates, you understand, through the phone number that I said. That means there are 17 times that the phone number actually appeared the same, right, for one person, you understand. So that was the reason why it was able to remove that within that time. So another thing you can do is to add filter. You can also add your filter, right? You can also do this. You can play around this. So what I'm going to do is I am going to select all and click on exports. So that means I want to export the data. So the data is going to be exported in CSV format. You can see it right here. It's going to be exported in CSV format. Then I'm going to name it that Realtor Ikeja, right? Then I will click on save, right? Exported successfully. So I will go to my folder to look for what I exported and make use of it. So let me go back. So let me show you how you can actually scrape this in bulk at a time, right? That means I don't want to be scraping individually. That is, I want to scrape in bulk. But before I do that, let me scrape more individually so that you can see that this tool is actually crazy, because I actually use local locations, that is in Nigeria, but I am going to use a foreign location right now. So the keyword, let me say realtor as well. Well, for the sake of people that will be thinking maybe it's only realtor that this tool is meant for, or no, it is not. So let me just say digital marketer, or let me just say website design. You understand? So it can script website designer companies, you understand, in a particular location. So let me use this thing, for example. Let me use California for example, right? Add and search. So you are going to see the power of these two, how crazy it is. Wow, right? Look at this. Website design company, Marquez, level 1 web design. You can see Spirelight Web, Wicked Web Design. These are actually different website design companies in the United States of America, right? Look at it. Even with their phone numbers, with their website URL, everything is there, right? So if you give it time, it's going to start adding their emails too as well. If you give it time to scrape very well, it's going to start adding their emails. If it's able to locate anybody's email, it's going to add it. You can see how fast this is within 45 seconds. So this is actually a crazy tool that you must not miss to implement in your business. That's not what I'm saying now. You can actually use this for yourself in your business, even to get a job, to reach out to companies if they have any free space for a particular thing that you're doing, right? To get a job and to also do all those sort of things. So let me click on stop. Right, I've stopped it already because it is already scraping too much. It's already scraping too much. So you can see how wonderful this tool is, right? So let me now show you how to search in bulk. So I want to search for realtor in London, realtor in Accra, that is in Ghana, dentist in London, restaurant in Leicester. Don't think this is only for US, for Nigeria alone. It's for any country at all. Any country, any location in the world, I don't care. It works for any country and any location. So let us wait for the magic to happen. You can see what it's already doing. It is already on the first one, which is the restaurant in Leicester. You can see it's already bringing out data for that particular one. Wow, this is so massive. This is so massive. This is so massive. You can see. So once it's finished restaurant in Leicester, it is going to switch keyword and location to the next keyword, because you're going to notice it here. Total search is 4, because I actually selected 4 bulk addresses, and also the pending search to is 4. So once it actually finish a particular search, it's going to change the pending search to 3. You understand? To go to the next one. You can see it is still scraping for the first one, which is so damn crazy. Yeah, it has shifted to the third one, which is, you can see, Dentist London. The first one was Restaurant Leicester. The second one is Dentist in London, right? So this is how crazy this tool is. So if you want to actually get this tool, you want to get the lifetime premium access, that is, you are going to have access to it for life. You're going to have access to it for life, the lifetime premium asset, and you're going to get it from me. So let me now go back to our dashboard and see that our dashboard has actually changed from 38. You understand? So you can see we were on 38 before, right? Now it's on 499 total leads. So you can see how crazy this dashboard is. So it also has showed our pending search, the number found, and the email found. So this is a crazy tool. So don't miss out, guys. Bye.